Welcome to Psycho Sage. Today we're going to explore 9 effective ways to capture an older woman's attention and keep her thinking about you. These strategies are not about manipulation, but building genuine connections. So, let's get started. 1. Confidence is key. Begin with self-assuredness. Confidence, without crossing into arrogance, is magnetic. Believe in yourself and let that inner strength shine through. 2. Be a great listener. Older women appreciate good conversation. Show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Ask questions and actively listen. This makes her feel valued. 3. Respect is non-negotiable. Always treat her with respect. Be polite, considerate, and aware of her boundaries. Avoid offensive comments at all costs. 4. Embrace chivalry. Small acts of chivalry go a long way. Open doors, offer your seat, and walk on the outside of the sidewalk. These gestures show your thoughtfulness. 5. Unveil mystery. Slowly. Don't reveal everything about yourself up front. Allow her to discover layers of your personality over time. This intrigue keeps her interested. 6. Infuse playfulness. Laughter is a great bond builder. Be playful and enjoy each other's company. Show her you're fun to be around. 7. Charm her. Use your charm skillfully. Compliment her, flirt tastefully, and make her feel special. Your charm will melt her heart. 8. A little challenge. Don't make yourself too available. Make her work for your attention, as it intensifies her desire for you. 9. Authenticity matters most. Ultimately, be yourself. Authenticity is incredibly attractive. Trying to be someone else won't work in the long run. Remember, these tips are not about manipulation, but creating a genuine connection. If you'd like more insights on attracting older women, don't forget to subscribe to Psycho Sage. We'll be sharing more valuable content in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.